child's pose. Stretch your hips back and down as you gently stretch your arms forward. Relax your neck and let your forehead rest lightly on your mat. Start to settle into your breath and relax into the ground beneath you. From here, find thread the needle. Keep the right arm long, flip your left palm up and thread the left arm under the right armpit. Unwind, left arm long again. Other side now, right palm flips up and threads under the left armpit. Release the twist, right arm long. Slowly rise. Now find forearm plank. Shift forward and come down onto your forearms and step the feet back. Inhale, forearm side plank, right arm to sky. Lower the right forearm back to the mat. Switching sides, inhale as you sweep the left arm to the sky. Lower the forearm back to the mat. Now lower your knees and come to a seat on your mat. Boat pose, arms reach long, engage the core as you hinge back and float the feet off the mat. Stay here and tap both feet down. Firm the core, raise the legs up. Again, toes tap down and lift the legs up. Take a few more rounds on your own. Hold in boat the next time the legs are up. Half boat, exhale. Lower down a bit and hover your legs just above your mat. Release to the mat and stretch your fingers and toes long. Hug your knees in and rock yourself all the way up. Then find Wild Thing. Left hand behind, right arm up as the hips lift high. Lower the hips to the mat. Exhale. Other side. Right hand plants. Inhale, hips high. Hips to the mat, back to boat. Tap both feet down and lift the legs up. Keep going now for a few more rounds.
When you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain won't.
Hold in both the next time the legs are up.
Hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Exhale, lower to half boat.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you.
And come up to easy seat.
You're the reason I'm
Find tabletop. Roll over your shins and plant your hands. Set up for corkscrew. Walk your hands a few inches forward, then step your right foot to the outside edge of your right hand. Reach your right arm back and capture your back foot.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Stay in the twist. Release the back foot and bring your right hand to your right thigh.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Slowly unwind. Make your way back to tabletop. Corkscrew second side. Walk your hands a few inches forward, then step your left foot to the outside edge of your left hand. Reach your left arm up and back and take hold of the back foot. Stay in the twist. Let the back foot go and bring your left hand to your left thigh. Gently unwind. Find tabletop again. Make your way onto your back. Inner thigh stretch. Extend your left leg long and pull your right knee towards your right shoulder, then straighten the right leg. And release. Now bring the knees up towards your chest, then take them wide for happy baby. Hands to outer feet or legs. Inner thigh stretch, left side. Left leg stays up, right leg lowers long on the mat. Hold the left leg with the left hand and then start to straighten the leg out to the side. Release the shape. Draw your knees into your chest give them a squeeze. Take one last big breath in. Exhale, release the arms and the legs long on the mat for Shavasana. Feel free to stay exactly as you are for as long as you'd like. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.